So async and defer are boolean attributes for script tag, and its control how and when to fetch and execute that external script during HTML parsing. So I have this three script tag. One is without any attribute, as you can see, and second is with async, and third is with defer. So uh, whenever I run this on the browser, so it will identify this index.html as a web document, and it will start parsing this HTML document, and that time it will encounter this script tag, then it will pause that HTML parsing. So if we have multiple element, so many element below this script tag, then that will be not shown on the DOM. So this normal script tag will pause that HTML parsing for fetching and for executing. So it will pause HTML parsing below here, but if we use async attribute here, it will not pause the HTML parsing for fetching, but if uh, this script will be fetched completely, then it will again pause HTML parsing. So here it will fetch uh, parallelly HTML parsing, and this script.js, it will fetch and HTML parsing happen in parallelly. But as soon as the script this downloaded or fetched completely done, then it will pause again HTML parsing if we have so many element in the this web document. For defer, uh, it will same as a async, it will uh, parallelly parsing the HTML, then it will fetch the script in parallelly, and as soon as the this script is fetched completely in defer, it will not pause the HTML parsing, it will complete first HTML parsing, then and only this script .js will be uh, executed after the all HTML parsing will done. So here it will if so here without any attribute, if we use this script, then it will cause some problem if we are trying to access some element, uh, trying to access all the DOM elements in the script tag, and if this web document have some event listener or some interactivity, then it will can't access that below element here, because it will pause that HTML parsing here only. So we can't use this for DOM manipulation and some interactivity. Async also we can't use for DOM manipulation, because here also it's create um, same problem, can't access this element. So async we can use for like Google Analytics or Google Ads, we can use that. And here also in async it's create a problem that if there are so many script and it's depend on each other, then here in async there is no order that it will run one by one. In async, if we use multiple async, then there is no like it will first run this first one or this second one line by line, but here uh, whatever the first script is fetched first, that uh, that script is only uh, execute first. So here, if the script 2 is fetched first, then it will execute first, and if this script fetched after this, then it will run first. So there is no order like this will run first or this will run second, so here it will create problem. So defer attribute will definitely solve that problem. It will run one after other. So um, if some script are dependent on each other, then we can use defer. And definitely for DOM manipulation and some interactivity event listener, then we added some event listener on the element, then we can definitely use this defer. So this is the difference between async and defer. Or also we can use directly, if we want to use without any attribute, we can use in the last of HTML parsing. So here, below this close body tag, there will be no element, then we can definitely use without any attribute, and we can access below all the element like h1. So this will not pause, it will pause, but there will be no element left behind the this script tag. So this is how async defer attribute work, and without also we can use. But if we use above, then it will create many problem. So this is async and defer attribute, boolean attribute for script tag. So thank you.